Hi guys and welcome back to Biocoders. In this video, I'm going to talk about some latest internship opportunities in Microsoft. So there are total 6 different internship roles. So whichever roles found interested to you and matters with your skill sets, for that you can apply. So without any delay, let's start with the first internship opportunity. So that is software engineering intern, and it is available in multiple locations across India. So the eligibility criteria for applying this internship is you currently pursuing a bachelor or master degree in computer science, engineering, or any related fields, and you must have at least one semester remaining following the completion of the internship. So in simple terms, if you are not graduating in 2026, then you are eligible for this internship. So also you need to have 1 year of programming experience in an object-oriented language. And the preferred qualification is you should have the strong understanding of computer science fundamentals and also the data structure and algorithms. So if you are interested in software engineering roles, then you can apply for this internship. So apply as soon as possible because once the requirement is filled, they will close this form. So if you are interested in software engineering related roles, then you can apply for this. So the next internship is a software engineering expert intern, and it is also available in multiple locations. So this is mainly for the student who are currently in a second year of a 4 year undergraduate program. So if you are in a second year of BE, BTech or any 4 year program, then you can apply for this internship. So the preferred qualification, like you should have interest in computer science and related technology, then you can apply. So if you are in a second year of any 4 year program, then you can apply for this software engineering expert intern program. So the next internship is data science intern, and it is in Bangalore. So if you see the eligibility criteria is include like you should pursuing a bachelor degree in data science, mathematics, statistics, economics, or any related fields. And you must have at least one semester left remaining following the completion of the internship. So if you are interested in data science related roles, then you can apply for this internship, and it is in Bangalore. So the next internship is security assurance intern. So it is available in multiple locations. So if you see the eligibility criteria, it is almost same. You should be pursuing a bachelor degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, cybersecurity, or any related fields. And also you must have at least one semester left. And also have 1 year of experience in any programming language. So also the some preferred qualification include like currently pursuing a master degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, or any related fields, and also having some familiarity with the foundation of security concepts and hands-on labs is a plus. And if you have any certificates like Security Plus or certified in cybersecurity is an advantage. So if you are interested in cybersecurity related roles, then you can apply for this internship. So the next internship is research science intern, and it is in Bangalore. If you see the eligibility criteria, you should be bachelor degree either completed or in progress in any relevant field. So or master degree in relevant field or any relevant experience, and some additional qualification like master's degree or a PhD in relevant field or equivalent experience, or have the experience in publishing academic papers as a lead author or an essential contributor. So this is basically a research related role. So if you are interested in research related roles and all, then you can apply for this internship. So the next one is UX research internship opportunity. So it is also available in multiple locations across India. And if you see the qualification required, currently pursuing a bachelor degree in business, engineering, technology, or any related fields. And also, you must have at least one semester left following the completion of the internship. So, the preferred qualification includes relevant internship or work experience. So, if you have any previous experience in this particular role, then it is an advantage when you are applying for this internship. So, if you are interested in UX research roles, then you can apply for this internship. So these are the 6 different internship opportunities currently available in Microsoft across India. So if you are interested in any particular roles, you can apply for that. So if you are interested in any particular roles, please apply as soon as possible because once the requirement is filled, they will close this application form. So that's all about in this video. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and share with your friends. And also if you are not subscribed for this channel, please do subscribe. And thank you and see you in the next one.